Hi guys, today I'm gonna start this beautiful mandala. So I just start with a magic ring like this. Magic ring like this. Now chain 1, 2 and 3. 3 chain count as first double crochet. We have to make totally 18 double crochet, so I made 17 double crochet after this. Three, okay, last double crochet. Now we have to pull this tail tight. We make a slip stitch in top of 3 chain in the first this round. 1, 2, 3. We make a slip stitch. Okay. Chain 1. We're gonna make front post double crochet in 3 chain. We make 3 front post double crochet, so 1 double crochet, 2, and 3. Second one, we make 1 double crochet front post double crochet, again 3 front post double crochet in next, we're gonna make 1 and continue until we finish this round. One, 2 and 3. Next we make 1. Okay, we will back in we'll back when I finish this round 2. Okay, for the finish this round I just make a slip stitch in top of first front post double crochet. I put a marker in fourth, 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a marker for round 4. Okay, here, and another slip stitch in the second front post double crochet. We're gonna work on second front post double crochet in this round. Chain 1 and make a popcorn. So I make 5 double crochet and a popcorn. 2, 3, 4 and 5. And put hook in the first double crochet and pull this, a popcorn. We're gonna make a single crochet in top of this front post double crochet. I just wind it carefully Okay, I just find it carefully. Watch it. I just find it carefully. Single crochet here. 1, 2, 3, chain, skip 1 double crochet. In next one you make a single crochet, and 1, 2, 3, and another popcorn in second one, and continue this pattern until I finish this round. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make a popcorn, and a single crochet top of this front post double crochet. Watch it carefully. I just wound it carefully. Make a single crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain, and single crochet top of this single front post double crochet, and 1, 2, 3, another popcorn in second one, and continue until I finish this round. We will back here. For to finish this round we make 3 chain and a slip stitch in top of this single crochet. Now round 3 finish.